Welcome to a tour of the Ultimate Finance Tracker, the best tool for managing your financial life. In this video, I will walk you through how to use this Notion template and all of its features, such as automated overview reports, automated budgeting calculations, and much more. Let's start with the quick capture section at the top of the template. Let's start by adding a new record for income. Once we input a date, we notice that the month, quarter, and year are selected automatically. Let's select a related account, and then we enter the income amount. Next, let's add an expense record. Once we add a date, we see that the other properties are related automatically. We just need to input the account category, which is responsible for the monthly budgeting calculations, and the expense amount. You can add a note and upload the receipt if you want. If the current expense is recurring, you can link it with related subscriptions. Now let's move on to loans. Just input the necessary details about the loan you gave to someone, such as status, counterparty, date borrowed, amount, and amount paid. If the loan is paid off, you can simply check the completed checkbox. The template calculates the remaining fund from the loan amount and the amount paid. Now, let's add a transfer between our accounts. Simply give it a name, a date of transfer, amount transferred, and specify the accounts it was transferred from and to. Let's add a new subscription. Simply add the title, the category, the cost, and the billing frequency. It will automatically calculate the monthly and yearly cost once you set it as subscribed. The renewal date automatically calculates the next renewal date. Now, to add a new debt, simply provide a title, the total debt amount, and the amount already paid. The template automatically calculates the remaining balance. If the debt is fully repaid, just check the completed checkbox. Additional details can be entered in the sections provided below. Let's go to the navigation bar. From here, you can easily move between different pages. Each page gives you a quick overview of its topic. Let's dive into the overview section. Here, we get a detailed look at our monthly and yearly budgets. You'll also find a monthly overview that shows the total incomes, total expenses, and the total profit for each month of the current year. For the quarterly overview, visiting one of the pages will reveal more details like the months included in that quarter and the specific incomes and expenses for it. The monthly overview works similarly. When you open a page, you'll see detailed data for that month. Additionally, there's a yearly overview and an all-time statistics page. Inside these pages, you can find more in-depth information. The all-time statistics give you a snapshot of your overall incomes and expenses across all time. Lastly, there's a chart that visually represents the profit for each month, helping you easily understand your financial performance over time. Next, we will move on to the income and expenses section. Here, you'll find multiple views for today and this week. Additionally, at the bottom, there is a monthly breakdown of incomes and expenses. Now let's move on to the bank account section. Here, we can view our bank accounts and our goals, and also delve into more details about each bank account and goal, such as the starting balance, current balance, total income, and total expenses. At the bottom, we can see all transfers made between those bank accounts. Now let's move on to the debt and loans section. At the top, we have a debt tracker where you can see and manage your debts directly from this section with multiple views. If you mark a car debt as completed, you will notice that it disappears from the current view and now appears in the paid debts view. We also have a view for all of the debts. Next, we have the loans tracker. This section is specifically designed for keeping track of borrowed money. Next, we have the investments portfolio. At the top, you'll find the portfolio of different assets, where you can easily view the status, the current unit price of the investment, total invested, market value, and the total profit or loss, along with more details accessible by simply opening the page. Following that, we have a section specifically designed for crypto investments to help you keep track of your crypto portfolio. Upon downloading the template, you will receive a guide on how to automatically import crypto prices into Notion. Additionally, you have the Databases section. From here, you can view all the databases included in this template. Please do not remove any of these databases, as doing so may cause the template to not function properly. In the main dashboard, you have minimal views of the previous sections, offering an overview of monthly, quarterly, yearly, and all-time statistics. There's a monthly budgeting section, bank accounts, and financial goals. You'll find a minimal overview of the incomes and expenses sections. Crypto and investments portfolio, debt and loans overview, as well as a view of transfers and the monthly subscriptions. Click the link below to download the template and take control of your finances.